Hello, Applet. It's me again. I wanted to let you guys know that I've been working all morning on the book club idea that I have. I've chosen a total of 27 books because I divided it amongst all of you. I am working right now on a Google Doc where you guys will sign up. There are only four people allowed per group. Now, I know in some classes there's going to be one or two, maybe three people. A group of three would work, but two or one will not work. So if I have a group of one, or not a group, if I have one person and then a pair, what I'll do is contact those people and then give them a choice of a group that they could join, and then I'll make exceptions and we'll have maybe two classes where there might be one or two groups of five. Okay. Um, Anyway, so I'm going to read the books, the following books. These are the ones you're going to choose from. I'm working on um, providing a synopsis of each book underneath where I have put the chart for you guys to add to. Do not add any rows. Do not add any rows. Okay. First come, first serve basis. I wanted to give you guys the names of the books today. Um, I don't know if I am going to put the Google Doc up today. In fact, I know I'm not. I will not put it up today. I will put it up so that everybody has plenty of time to watch this video. I will share the Google Doc or put it up on everybody's Google Classroom on Monday, this Monday, the 23rd, at noon, right at noon, okay? So that's when it will go up. I will be at school from 9 to 11, taking care of some things there. That's the only time I'm allowed to be there because there can't be more than 10 of us at a time. So I will come straight home and I will put the Google Doc and make it live for you all at noon. Okay, so listen very carefully to the books that I have chosen, and I've chosen them based upon popularity of how many times they've been seen on the College Board AP exam over the past 35 years. Okay, so listen closely. I'm going to go over them twice. I have Invisible Man by Ralph Ellison, Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte, Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen, A Farewell to Arms by Ernest Hemingway, Great Expectations by Charles Dickens, Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain, Moby Dick by Herman Melville. It's not my favorite book, but I have read it. Remember, I've read all of these, so beware those of you who choose that one. Catch-22 by Joseph Heller, Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man by James Joyce, Their Eyes Were Watching God, Zora Neale Hurston, The Awakening by Kate Chopin. That's my favorite novel of all time, so beware to you all as well. The Color Purple by Alice Walker, As I Lay Dying, William Faulkner, The Glass Menagerie, Tennessee Williams, A Streetcar Named Desire, Tennessee Williams, A Raisin in the Sun, Lorraine Hansberry, All the Pretty Horses, Cormac McCarthy. It sounds girly and cheesy, but it's really not. I kind of suggest that for my gentleman. There's a movie based upon it. It's really good. My husband even liked the movie. I told him there was a book based on it, and he's not interested. Science guy. Bless Me Ultima, Rudolfo Anaya. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. Frankie, you're not allowed to read this one, okay? The Sound and the Fury by William Faulkner. The Sun Also Rises by Ernest Hemingway. The Tempest by William Shakespeare. Mrs. Dalloway by Virginia Woolf. The Cherry Orchard by Anton Chekhov. Sister Carrie by Theodore Dreiser. And A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. Okay, so those are the 27. I'm going to go over them one more time. Let me just flip back to where I was. Okay. Invisible Man, Ralph Ellison, Wuthering Heights, Emily Bronte, Sense and Sensibility, Jane Austen, Farewell to Arms, Ernest Hemingway, Great Expectations, Charles Dickens, Jane Eyre, Charlotte Bronte, Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, Mark Twain, Moby Dick, Herman Melville, Catch-22, Joseph Heller, Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, James Joyce, Their Eyes Were Watching God, Zora Neale Hurston, The Awakening, Kate Chopin, The Color Purple, Alice Walker, As I Lay Dying, William Faulkner, Glass Menagerie, Tennessee Williams, A Streetcar Named Desire, also Tennessee Williams. A Raisin in the Sun, Lorraine Hansberry. All the Pretty Horses, Cormac McCarthy. Bless Me Ultima, Rudolfo Anaya. Frankenstein, Mary Shelley. The Sound and the Fury, William Faulkner. The Sun Also Rises, Ernest Hemingway. The Tempest, William Shakespeare. That's the last play he wrote, by the way. Mrs. Dalloway, Virginia Woolf. The Cherry Orchard, Anton Chekhov. Sister Carrie by Theodore Dreiser. And A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. Now, I hope that you guys wrote some of those down if they sounded interesting to you. If you didn't, don't worry. Like I said, I'm going to have a synopsis of each one, but you might want to research them a little bit over the weekend. I wanted to read those to you so that you could have choice 1, 2, and 3, because again, it's going to be on a first come, first served basis. So if you don't get your first choice novel, I want you to have your second or third. Those weren't all novels, by the way. Some of those were plays, okay? So if you guys have any questions about any of the titles, let me know. You cannot call dibs on anything, so you can't send me a message through mine and say, Miss Cox, may I please have? That is not fair for me to do, so you're just going to have to wait until Monday, okay? And I'll give you further instructions on a timeline and what I would like us to do. I'm trying to learn Zoom. I've used it. That's the way that we do our faculty meetings now. I would like for you all to download that application on your computers, especially. It's Zoom, Z-O-O-M. You could also download it on your phone. I will be using it from my computer. I would like to at least one day a week have an hour of time slotted for all of my AP kids, for everybody to log on at a time. I think I can have about 100 logged in. So if you can socially distance far enough with a friend in your same class where you guys are at least sitting 5 to 6 feet apart, that'd be great. Anyway, I would like to figure that out so we could do that. I think I may send a Google form out asking what day would work best for everybody. And then when I narrow down the day, then I'll send a Google form out asking about what hour per day would work. If we could do it more than once a week, that'd be great. But I know you all have families to take care of. Some of you still have jobs to go to. So I'm really trying to be as respectful of your time as I can. But I want us to be able to still have conversations, discussions. I don't want this to just be one-sided where you guys are listening to me, blabber on like I've done right now. So anyway, that's my update for today. I don't have any punny, geeky English teacher notes, jokes, and I don't have memes for you yet, but I'm gonna work on that this weekend too. If you have any funny memes, please send them my way. And I will definitely post those for you, okay? So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I promise not to bug you again until Monday. Please be well, be safe, take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and hopefully I will see you guys soon. Bye.